On December 5th, 2017, 2 workers were rushed to the hospital after they were found unresponsive in a train rail car. The employees had been clearing out hazardous material. One worker, 35-year-old Jose Miguel Cisneros, died, and another worker was critically injured. The 2 men worked for EnviroTech Services, a chemical manufacturing company that makes road and surface products for deicing, anti-icing, dust control, soil stabilization, and erosion control. Initial reports suggested that the employees had been subjected to hazardous materials, but according to the autopsy report, Cisneros actually died as a result of a lack of oxygen while cleaning the inside of the car. According to the Greeley Tribune, Cisneros was found face down and drowned in only a few inches of water at the bottom of the car. Last week, OSHA cited EnviroTech for multiple safety violations, including failure to provide respiratory protection, to properly ventilate a small space, and a lack of an emergency rescue plan. As a result, the company now faces almost $65,000 in fines. In a statement, Herb Gibson, OSHA's Denver area office director, said this fatality could have been prevented if the employer had complied with confined space requirements and provided protective equipment. According to OSHA, the chemical manufacturing company held an informal conference with the area director in an attempt to enter an informal settlement agreement. According to company spokesperson Brian Cross, the other worker is believed to have made a full recovery. Cross told the Greeley Tribune back in February that the accident was, quote, a huge deal, and that OSHA and EnviroTech both stood to benefit by understanding what happened to make sure it doesn't happen again. Yes, it was a big deal, and let's make sure it doesn't happen again. I'm David Manti. This is IEN Now.